Morning everyone, hope everyone had a fantastic weekend. Today I'm going to cook a bacon and egg cheese sandwich. Right, here's the ingredients: some Kerrygold, some white bread, red Leicester, bacon and eggs. Sorted. So with the bread, I'm just going to pop it in the air fryer to crisp it up a bit. And I'm going to put that on max crisp for about 4 minutes, I suppose. Right. So with the pan, I just put a bit of olive oil in, and I'll just brush it around with a silicone brush, just so it's coated. So it's sticking, eh? Once that reaches temperature, I will get the bacon in there. There's bacon. Mm. Oh, look at that. Turn the heat down a bit. I'll save overcooking them. I'm just going to transfer them into a bowl. That's it, eggs on it. Toast is toasting. Is it toast? It's not toast, is it? It's bread. Bread is toasting. Crank up the heat a bit. Oh, oh yes. Oh, got a bit of a leak there. That'll be all right. Hmm. Oh yeah. Crank that up a little bit more. So that's 5 minutes that the bread's been in there. We'll chuck the bacon back in now. Put some red Leicester to go on there. Oh yeah. The cheese is melted. Hmm. Look at that bread. Oh, the bread's just about. Ooh. Get out of there. There's one done. Oh, look at that. I can plate that up like that. Oh, what's going on with the sandwich? Hey, fighting with it. Come on, egg. There's the egg in. There's the cheese in. It's a hob. It's just so the bread is now crunchy. The cheese is melted. The egg's nice. And there it is. Done. Mmm. Bacon's lovely. Right. Enjoy your day, people.